quiet evening, snow is falling, and from every window shines a light.
Good morning, guys, and Merry Christmas Eve. So today I'm doing just my last minute Christmas prep. I ran to the grocery store. I had just a few things that I needed to get, so I did that really quick and came right back. So today I'm going to focus on like doing some baking. I'm going to make some deviled eggs. I'm going to make a cheese ball. So I'm going to do all that prep today in preparation for tomorrow. So I did a little bit of cleaning yesterday. I still have a little bit more to do today, but for the most part I get everything done. So today's just going to be focused on, mainly cooking and baking, things like that. So anyway, it's almost here, so I'm glad. I love Christmas, and yeah, I can't believe it's upon us already. So yeah, today's going to be focused on just, getting last minute things done.
I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and
Okay, so I baked my last batch of oatmeal cookies and my eggs are done boiling, so now I'm going to put the rest of these cookies with the other cookies, and then I'm going to start on doing the deviled eggs.
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times.
Okay, so I've got such a huge mess going on here. So I think while my eggs are cooling off just a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and tidy up just a little, and then I'll crack these eggs open and get them done. And then I've got this huge mess here that I've got to clean up. So I've got to unload my dishwasher and reload it yet again.
Sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on, dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas.
Okay, so I'm done with my deviled eggs. I only made a few just because it's just going to be Hunter and I for dinner. So I did struggle. I put some paprika on the first one and it came out a little too fast. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but it's got a little bit too much paprika, so hopefully he won't mind. Okay, so I have my cookies sort of separated now, just put on plates. I'm going to divide these up and I'm going to give some to my neighbors in my building. I thought it would be a nice thing to do for the holidays. Okay guys, I am done for today. I think I have everything done that I needed to get done. I may just give everything a little bit of a wipe down later on today, but as far as like baking and like cheese ball and deviled eggs and stuff like that. I think everything's done, so I'm just going to end it there. So I don't know if I'm going to document anything tomorrow or not. I'll just have to kind of see how everything goes. But if I don't, I want to wish you guys a very, very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I hope you have a wonderful day with your family, and I hope you all stay safe. And thank you guys so much for all your support on my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And all the wonderful comments that I've gotten from you guys. I appreciate it so much. You guys have no idea. So anyway, Merry Christmas, everyone. I'll see you very, very soon in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.